I'm Darcy Armstrong, Public Service Manager at Eckhart Public Library, and today for Resource Week, I want to take a look at some of the legal resources we have on our site. So we want to go to the Resources page, and we're going to come down to Government and Legal. There's a lot of other sources we have linked on this page, so if you need, for example, tax information, you need to print some tax forms, you can always do that at the library, but if you have a printer and you're at home, we provide those links for you. So I'm going to come over to legal information, and we have a couple resources that are self-service legal forms that are editable, so you can fill them out through that database and then print them. If you're accessing this from off-site, this is both Gale Legal Forms and New Wave, you will need your Eckhart Public Library card. So I just want to come here. So, and New Wave functions very similarly to this. You just search your categories, and say I'm going to do a name change for a minor, or an adult rather. I'm going to click on it, click on PDF, and from here, all of those highlighted fields you can click in and fill out. You can check and either download your document or print. So I'm going to go back. Because I really want to show you Indiana Legal Services, Inc. and Indiana Legal Help. So Indiana Legal Help is a self-service center created by the Coalition for Court Access, and it contains multiple resources about the Indiana court system, how to prepare for court, a glossary of legal terms, self-service forms, and more. So let's go there. And so first, go up to self-help forms and resources, and it will, let you know that there are cases where you might want to hire an attorney. So you do have to click through that. And so there's lots of information about preparing for court, how to go to court without an attorney, court rules, contact information, navigating filing fees, and so forth. And let's go back here. This also has Indiana court forms. So you just click on the category you want, and those will come up. It includes the instructions and the forms. And you can also edit this form and print. Let's come back here. Now, Indiana Legal Services, Inc. is a not-for-profit law firm that works to provide equitable access to legal services for Indiana residents. So go back to legal information. If you're a low-income Hoosier and you need help getting access to housing, healthcare, public benefits, this is a great place to look for that help, because it's also a database for finding pro bono attorneys. And so you can just click on anything you need by topic. Here is the pro bono attorneys if you're in need of one. And so if you click on that on a topic, there will be informational articles and brochures, as well as that legal information that guarantees access. Ask a librarian for help navigating any of these resources, though library staff are unable to answer any legal questions that you have.